service going out to Island Beach, run by Greenwich, Connecticut. That's the Connecticut shoreline, that's Tides Point. Looking back is Greenwich, Connecticut. Manhattan. There's Long Island, Oyster Bay, Long Island across the way, Cold Spring Harbor, and this is Great Captain's Island. People come camping here. There's great fishing for striped bass out here, but you're not allowed to bring your rods on the ferry. You have to come by private boat for that. Say this has got to be about the best beach in Connecticut aside from Niantic, Rocky Neck State Park, but come out here in the middle of Long Island Sound on a hot summer's day and it's 15 degrees colder than the shoreline because of the water. It's always colder. It's beautiful out here.